Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. Today's recipe I'm going to show how to make Rajma Masala, which is kidney beans masala. These kidney beans are rich in proteins, fiber, vitamins, minerals and many more. Since this has a lot of health benefits, we should include at least twice a week in our diet. So let's get started. In order to make this Rajma masala, what I've taken is I've taken 300 grams of Rajma kidney beans. What you basically have to do is you need to soak it overnight. First you need to wash at least 4-5 times, and then you need to soak it in water for overnight and keep it. That's what I did. Now I'm going to pressure cook them at least 3-4 whistle before we start with the main cooking process. So let's start with this one. One more thing I want to mention, once you wash and add clean water to this, you don't have to discard the water. That is how you get a better color when you cook Rajma masala. So the same water I'm going to add little bit more to this and cook this. I checked this. I've added little bit more water to this as they double the size. Add salt, and now I'm going to pressure cook them for at least 3 to 4 whistles. So once the pan is hot, add oil, one inch of a cinnamon stick, one bay leaf, 4 cloves, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Add onion. I've used 2 medium size red onion chopped. We need to saute this till it gets brown in color. Guys, check this out. This onion is ready now. I will add ginger garlic paste to this, 1 tablespoon. And also I will add chilli powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, and then coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Once this is sauté, check this out. This is getting stuck now. That is the time you have to add tomato puree. I've added 3 tomato, and I've added 2 Kashmiri chilli in there. While making the paste, just add water and make puree. I check the color. This has to cook now. I check this masala is almost ready. So you can see the oil on top. That means masala is well cooked. It became dry also. Now what I'm going to do is I will add beans to this. I will keep this on simmer. Let's check the beans. Guys, check this out. These beans are already ready. See, easily it's getting mashed. Now add little bit, 1 spoon of beans, or maybe few more, and cook this. These beans, mash it little bit. in order to get a good body. Guys, check this out. As you have noticed, maybe I've said 1 spoon. It was 1.5 ladle. It was my mistake, my bad. So check this out. Now I'm going to add the remaining beans and the water. Mix this well. Let this cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes on simmer. Now I will add half a tablespoon of Garam masala. Use sprigs of fresh coriander. Mix this well and let this simmer. Guys, check this out. This has been simmering for at least 15-20 minutes now. Look at the gravy consistency. This is how it should be. Check this rajma. How beautiful it looks. Goes very well with rice. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and this is ready to be served. Guys, check this out. This is how Rajma masala is made. Do check out the recipe and thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and God bless you all. Thank you very much.